Hey, it's Sue. I just wanted to remind you that Kajabi's 3 months for $99 deal is about to expire. This is your chance to get started with Kajabi for just $99 on their top plan. This is the Pro plan, normally $399 a month, but you get to use it for the next 3 months for just $99. But you have got to sign up before this deal expires, which is at midnight Pacific time on Friday the 23rd of May. So that is going to be less than a day, and I just want you not to miss out, because if you've been thinking about trying Kajabi, maybe moving from another platform, perhaps consolidating everything so you're not using 15 different tools, or maybe you are at the stage where you are wanting to start with an online business. You want to do coaching, sell courses, perhaps start a membership, a community. There are so many different things that you can do within Kajabi. You can even set up a shop in Kajabi selling digital products, and you can set up digital downloads. You can sell them, you can have an affiliate program, you can use it for your email marketing, you can take all of your payments through Kajabi, which is just phenomenal. It is so fantastic that it allows you to do everything that you need to run your business. And I love all-in-one platforms. I didn't realize how much I loved an all-in-one platform until I moved to it, because originally I had all the things. I was trying to integrate them together. I was trying to learn 5 different platforms, make everything work, and it was so much frustration. It is so much less mental load having everything in one place. And I want that for you. I want you to have a simple, easy to use system with a company that really backs up their product. There is a reason that Kajabi has over 50,000 very, very happy customers. It is the best all-in-one software tool. It is the best platform for running courses, selling digital products, setting up funnels, all of the things that you need to do to be successful online. And not only is it a phenomenal product, Kajabi backs it up. You get it in addition to the 3 months for $99. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for some reason you decide that you're going to use Kajabi, you start using it, and then you're like, it's not for me. That happens sometimes, totally understandable. Well, guess what? You can approach Kajabi, say, hey, I don't really want to keep using it. If it's within the first 30 days, you'll get your money back. So there is absolutely zero risk. It's just one of the reasons why I love Kajabi so much. And if you are wanting to get started, like I said, maybe migrate, perhaps you want to start a new business, this deal, I don't know when they're going to offer it again. It's been a long time since they have offered it, and maybe if we're lucky, maybe Black Friday they might offer it again. But as far as I know, there are no plans to do any other promotions. So this is your moment. This is your time to get started with Kajabi. Normally you get that 14-day trial, but this is 3 months for $99. Now, if you are wondering, the Pro plan that you get put on for this 3 month trial, that's so that you can try everything out. So you've got no limits and no restrictions, pretty much. It gives you the maximum limits for everything, but you don't have to stay on the Pro plan. They're just doing that so that you can try everything, create as many products as you want, experiment, have fun. At the end of the 3 months, you can choose which plan you want to go on. Now, Kajabi's plans start from $89 a month when you pay it monthly for the Kickstarter plan, and that gives you 1 product and 1 community. The Pro plan gives you 100 products, so you are pretty much unlimited with what you can do within Kajabi, but you can do the growth plan or the basic plan, and you just have to let Kajabi know by the end of the 3 months which plan it is that you want to stick with going forward. So it's a pretty awesome offer. They've never done this before, by the way. Usually you have to choose the plan and then just do that for your trial, or you can get a 14-day trial. Sometimes you can get 30 days when signing up through an affiliate like me, so you get an extra little bonus. But now you get to do it for 3 months. You still get my bonuses too, which is awesome. I'll give you a sales funnel template, and you get to choose which style that you would like. You also get a one-on-one Kajabi coaching call with me, your friendly Kajabi expert. I will support you for a year as well, helping you to get Kajabi set up. And And on top of that, you'll also get access to the Kajabi Tiki Tour. Now, in a few weeks, I will be supporting you live as you explore Kajabi and get those first important parts of Kajabi set up. I want you to be able to be selling in your first few months on Kajabi, because that's what makes a difference. I don't want you to be there at the end of the 3 months and maybe you've made a website. Like, you're doing this, I imagine, because you want to be making money online, and I want to help you help support you to do that. So that is what my bonuses are designed to do. Kajabi pays me a commission, and I shower that love back onto you to say thank you for signing up through me. But yeah, my goal in life is to help you be successful using the platform. But that is my goal, regardless of when you sign up. I just want you to be able to get the best possible deal. So make sure to go to theunicornadvisory.com/Kajabi right now. Do it right now. You will always see the best Kajabi deal that they have available on that site and at that page. But for the next 24 hours, or a little bit less than 24 hours now, that's when you can get the creator plan. So don't miss out. Head there now, sign up, and the worst case scenario, you don't like it, you can get your money back. It is absolutely risk-free. theunicornadvisory.com/Kajabi. Please let me know when you've signed up. I hope to see you in Kajabi world.